John the Van Guy again. You remember the problem was what to do with this situation. I've cleaned it all up best I can using the grinder. So what I've made is a template. Almost looks like a Christmas decoration, but you can see I've shaped it and cut wedges along it. Transferred that to a metal piece, and we have this, which I've bent in a vise. I've bent all the bits and pieces around. So I think I'm showing it correctly. Right, now, how does this go? Well, I thought that if I could push it in, out, shake it all about, I could, I'll just put this down a minute. There you go. You get the idea. Might have to cut the end bit off. Now, so there we have it. Now I can either fix this in place, as I've done before, and drill a few holes and stick a few pot rivets in, and then fill over the top. I'm not too worried about underneath. Once it's filled in and sprayed up, it'll look a lot better. Then I've got to cut a piece to go over here. I'll take the paint off and I can probably make a welded piece. Again, as I did on the other side, a flat rectangle will probably go there, and a piece there to link in with this. And I might have to shave off the, yes I probably will, or knock it round this bottom bit. Don't be too quick to shave things off. You might be able to use them, or once they're in place, to knock them down. I mean, it's possible I could weld this bit in. I think I might do that. It's held pretty firm. I'll have to take off some of this paint so I can weld, and even bend these over slightly so that they dig more into, have a better contact with the silver underneath, and I'll clean up the silver and the metal underneath so that I can get a good weld on it. There you go. So it's coming together. Thanks.